Frederick McKinley Jones was an African-American born in Cincinnati, Ohio on May 17, 1893. Jones became an orphan at a young age and had to fend for himself. At 12 years old, with minimal education, Jones worked in a garage as a janitor. He developed interest in mechanics. Jones self-taught himself mechanics and engineering while working with machines. Jones later moved to Minnesota, where he began working as a mechanic. So talented at his work, this enabled him to secure an engineering license in Minnesota. During World War I, Jones served in the United States Army, rising to the rank of a sergeant. He was often called upon to make repairs to machines and equipment. After Jones returned from the Army, he began working with electronics, eventually building a transmitter for a local radio station. Jones continued to expand on his interests with machines. On July 12, 1940, Frederick McKinley Jones received a patent for an air cooling unit for trucks carrying perishable foods. Jones' design was later adapted for ships, planes, railway cars. Jones formed a partnership with Numero and founded Thermo-King Corporations. The company was a success. By 1949, Thermo Corporations was worth millions of dollars. Jones' invention redefined and revolutionized the global marketplace. Consumers and distributors could now have access to fresh produce, frozen foods, dairy, safely transported year-round. Jones' portable air cooling device featured a gasoline motor built to handle the jolts of over-the-road travel. Early refinements focused on making the units lighter and smaller, still in use on trucks today. During World War I, Frederick McKinley Jones created air conditioning unit for military hospitals. This was critical in storing blood serum, needed for blood transfusion. This helped in saving countless lives. Frederick McKinley received more than 60 patents. More than 40 of those patents were in the field of refrigeration. Others included portable X-ray machine, an automatic ticket dispensing machine for movie theaters and sound equipment. In 1944, Jones was the first African American elected to the American Society of Refrigeration Engineers. In 1950, Jones was a consultant to the United States Department of Defense and the United States Bureau of Standards. Jones died of lung cancer in 1961 in Minneapolis. His legacy lives on as one of the greatest inventors. Jones was often referred to as the King of Cool. In 1977, Frederick McKinley Jones was posthumously inducted into the Minnesota Inventors Hall of Fame. In 1991, Frederick McKinley Jones was posthumously awarded the National Medal of Technology by President George H.W. Bush. Jones was the first African American to receive the award. Frederick McKinley Jones' valuable contribution to the truck and food industry has transformed the shipping and grocery chains and made our lives safer